What's up, Sweet Mind family? What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Happy Friday. How you doing? Do you know? I watch Marcia go on with a lot of things. You know? What you should talk how she wouldn't mind the woman house did collapsing of the earthquake. And one next one down a country there. Despite me and the one down a country no friend. But that is nothing you want to wish for nobody. You understand? Because you see life set up a funny way. And me notice Marcia she love come out, come talk things. Like she want to prophesy. She want to be a prophecy. She want to prophesy upon things that are in her mind, you know. She want to say things so when it happen, she can, take the ownership of being a prophecy. If come out, come say, somebody tell her, somebody tell her. When I notice every time Spice have a little problem, this woman at talk about when she not get dream, she get message, or she a come out, come tell her where her inner spirit a tell her. When I notice, because Spice must come out sometime since week in a white dress and sit about some cancer business and way. She come out and talk about she have message with Spice. Eh? So all along before Spice come out come say that you never have message. You claim to say you send message to her in her inbox because you don't have no number. How long in her day must be on Instagram and all no she no answer. You don't man no need to answer you, man. Because the woman know who you is. Speak your mind, people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. You know what to do. You understand? Just hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College Student link of our YouTube channel pin in the comment section. The Cash App also pin in the comment section. You understand? $sign Life is a Mission TV. So when I do. Me I go on a little corona mask. I mean I normally do them something here. But me just want to get a little corona fire and then have another little video more make you hear and dissect. Alright? Hey. One brother right now in our comment. Cause she dey live now me I do this video, you know, people. And the video I have one dissect. One little piece side, not much. One brother name must say God can be right in our comment. I am a planker. And she dead and the youth dead are toast her. You can't know the youth just want chick her head, you know. And this is what most of these people do. Them know so them fool and they not no sense. So the people just go into them comment and type certain things to trigger them and then come and say them a planker. Because there's no real planker that they go do what him do. See me in our comment again, yeah? Just a mess on her head. Because him just want she to talk and cuss because probably sometimes them find fun of them something there. Him right, your mind look like it way out. She say, what you do over here? What you do over here? Remember your planker, you know? And earlier on the same live, me hear she a beg money. If somebody do her hand shall and foot shall because she want to go soul to soul. She have her dress already and she have her shoes already. So me want to know. Because you do 10 years on social media, everything you want, you ever come out, come beg. Yeah, a ball for pain. From morning, last night she a ball was she pain up, you know. Just listen to her. You understand? She'll come out, come say, oh, I tell you in the social media, want me beg my supporters. You can't want everything and come out, come beg supporters. You make it look like say what you do. As me say in a previous video, what you is doing is for the people. You are one of the person out there who say you're a blogger. Well, lonely. You understand? You're lonely, bad Marcia. So anything what you are do is not for the people. Anything what you are do is to keep your company, keep your spirit alive. You know? Your down spirit what you always have because of your dirty, filthy ways what you have. Take what kind of picture? You look good? Look on the wig. Not even Santa Claus beard look so car. You can't say that the wig that just rest down in as me tell on in a breeze blow off her head. The wig just rest down on her head. The wig coming like Kaya. You know them Kaya the band time gone in time. Them a make Kaya mattress. Yeah. I saw the wig stay upon her head. Like it's a Kaya mattress. This is all this woman want to live. Big life. Pan people expense. You understand? Pay a big life pan people expense and then you sit down and wish all bad for people. You are going to really come out as a big woman. And I'm going to talk about you in the mind the people house damaging at the earthquake. Hey, me I tell you.
I'm not, my finger, it's not done. I'm not done.
Upon the wig now, people if you don't see the back of the wig, it come like when fall and a scratch and make nest. The front never look good for a man if you don't ever see the back. Now that you turn you on, if you don't ever see the back. No, sir. The whole syndicate of you just bear them like $25, $20, $15 wig you want to go buy and then come and go and like you know want something expensive. And then you don't want to get at people, people spend them good money and buy them good wig and things. You don't want to match up and want to come go and like you don't want to size up with people. And you can't reach there, you don't criticize and wish you the worst to people. Look at you.
Elevate my legs.
Somebody got type in a comment and say, when she says she have bigger money, if you go buy, if you go do her knee, a facial and a foot shell and her makeup, somebody go say, your man should do that. She get mad. What kind of money you come and tell me about? Come from a platform. And so she start talking about her supporters, them always do it. And so she supporters, them always do it. You continue to take this advantage. Watch her. Whoa. I don't ring that way they buy the man. Oh.
And this ring lasts.
I don't ring that way Ashanti they talk about how she buy the man for married to him.
And I say wait there, I'm not too much days, 4 days. I treat bigger than my fingers. Bigger than my finger.
Yeah, cause it bigger your finger cause it's a man ring and never your ring. I the ring that Ashanti must they talk about.
And my cousin pick up the ring and ground. That time I'll tie and run over it. And my cousin said, here is a ring, master, I don't want it. Here's a gold ring. You see, I put none of you, it's my ring. The ring drop off of my finger right at my car door. I show you some people now look for them. Car run over it, rain come wet it, sun come dry it. And because I see that girl, I put up here and say, girl, here's a ring, cause we don't want it.
Probably ring never did a glisten cause probably I want to 9-carat gold ring you have on, so it never have no real sheen, so nobody never got really. Them yeah now catch.
Remember me my life, I said my ring jump off of my bush part today. That ring here, I don't know what's wrong with it, but me I say me can't put it on get your room. And it lasts how much time?
You better take a married to him, your grandson. Because if you buy it for married to a next man and the man refuse it.
Inside of the toothbrush holder.
People now worry don't know see me.
Because
But there.
when me in the bathroom we take shower, me always take it off.
You just do the do, no know what they do. Oh no know what they do, just do the do. But there try build a vibes, you know? Yeah man, I just there try build a vibes cause I really they have no vibes to do no video. But what happened now, last night I make Thursday night I make mistake and do the live on the wrong channel. And the video wanna see me release today, this morning which is Friday. Both video, both the live we end up on this channel and the video, you know, kinda on a restriction. If you don't know what I mean. Which me know the video I could go on a restriction. I didn't know that because based on certain things when I say and then when I upload it and I get the clearance, I see it on a restriction. But the live now, the live me get the green light on the live. Only to wake up this morning and say alright, I go check how the live I do. And when I look, then put back restriction on it. And this is when I say YouTube need for, although we all know that it got you automatic system first, computer before, you know, it got you probably manual. So when it got you the computer system, the computer might pass something and not see it. Then when it go manual, them recheck and see it, and you know, but it's not good for we. As a platform, we'll let it not good for we because if we did see it from early, would I request a review before we upload it, before we release it to the public. You know, but them give the green light and then when you release it now, sometimes if you even check on your video 2-3 days when you look, you would see you say like your video have green light when you look. A red light then give you. This is your friend Marcia. But you know have nothing Marcia, so I the man if you talk about that, say you know I go get nothing unless you're married to you and sign the paper and forgot. How they marriage your name again? Where you see me with? Where you come see me with, you can't get nothing from it. Or we make gain during the time. Marcia, you don't have nothing for gain. Because your heart too filthy and mind too corrupt. So people like you now go prosper. You gotta just stick right where you're there. And if you never make it all the days before now that you even corrupt more, your worse are not gonna make it.
I'm going to practice open the eyebrow myself. I bet you make it. You go buy the little you buy the pencil, you go buy the little soap, and you go mark it, and you go use the cream, the little tube soap, and do it.
You have cut costs now. All of a sudden, you in everything you have ball pan cost now. Look at you. All these days when you used to hype up yourself and go on like your own money you spend. And I go on all kind of vacation and all kind of big food and crab leg. You know, long minute see you never crab leg, your cholesterol not gone down yet.
It's $45 to do the eyebrow joint. Me, I'm going to go on YouTube. I'm going to go on a little pencil them, I'm a little brush. I'm going to marketing. 10 split out. I'm going to get it. Mark my 10, I'm going to get a high brush.
Months ago, you never used to talk about them sitting here because you want to cock up in a place and look big on video. But all of a sudden, you want to cut costs because the private charity where they live off of. Where is winter, autumn, and summer? Monsieur, miss you. I miss you. Autumn, winter, or summer. Where are you?
Otherwise, I get it. So we need a setting powder. We need the little black one. We have it in our normally with it, buy it. The one where we do the contouring. We need one, I'm going to do it myself. That's right. My foot feels so good. But my slippers dirty.
And your slippers alone dirty. The whole of your place and you're dirty.
I will come and do it free for you, Marcia. You live in a Connecticut?
You hear? Free in the she want. Cost cutting she depend on our ball for money. Be a cost cutting all of a sudden. This big woman, big deal. You know? The world been knowing karaoke specialists. You know? For over decades. Start talking about cost cutting. One time gone, one month of excitement. I'm on cruise ship. And you're there. A resort, Rio Resort, Sandal Resort, all kind of different resort, eating crab leg and lobster. Why do you come tell you nearly 2-3 months now? You tell you how much doctor say your cholesterol high. And shell food like lobsters carry a lot of cholesterols, and that's the reason why you're not eating any crab leg from the other day and stuff like that. So what me want to know now, your cholesterol are gone down. Your cholesterol are gone down where you can't eat even one crab leg and one lobster where you love so much. And cool off again. I'll be a phone box and like a cheap file paper me see on your mouth I know. Yeah, free makeup.
Anybody want to sponsor me a free makeup?
Be a McDonald's of late and cheap restaurant.
Yes, but they have more time to get a freeness.
Yeah, I get freeness all the day of your life, Marcia. Come on. Not about time for you get like a freeness. You get that all the day of your life.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm hungry. I forget something. I'm hungry. Anyway, people, I'm big up to my love, the member song. Probably sure.
Then a long time, you know, say they want to give a puppy show. Then suppose she want to drive come Connecticut from Brooklyn, come do it for you.
Yeah, but drive 2 hours and 40 minutes. You got it, man?
Yeah, you know, big deal. 2 hours and 40 minutes to come do it free for you is nothing at all. You're a big deal. She want to take autograph. She want photos with you to go back and brag on her friends. So she will sacrifice the 2.5 hours to come and do it for you. For free. You old jackass, yo. I know you just, I know say them take you for papi show. Real papi show them take you for. I said the man just come in the comment and say I'm a planker. And from that. But as I saying up in people, real plankers, this is how people go out there and make trouble with these people. But you see, I figure more or less them know so these people are just troublemaker. Either them just try to trigger them to get some entertainment from them, or they do it willfully for them to come out and cuss the plankers. But I figure more or less them know, these platform holders know so these people is not really planker. But when the people them do these things, them take it and use it as content. Because guess what now, them can't say them have evidence because them can't screenshot the message to say, see it ya, him say my planker, see it ya, him say, she say, him say, she say. Yes. So when you see the screenshot now, you can't say, boy, yes, somebody really said this. But come on, to yourself, and you're in a social media so long and you realize that these people is going around making unnecessary problems. Because either them want to hear you cuss out the person, or them just want to be entertained, like all Marcia now. Because they had somebody done so. People just do it, fishy come cuss out people for nothing at all. But like Marcia now, most of these people just do it, you know, for draw out Marcia, to give them some form of entertainment. And these people who have the platform, them recognize that, you know. But what? Them just feel like, say, when them come over, and when them come over, you know, them now cuss planka, you know. And a all, you know. Them are direct all of what them are say to 99. Like 99 of any all and any adults out here. You understand? 99 no all pan no adult out here. And this is what I feel for understand. When you come out and tell like all the woman no come out and say nothing when time the people them come out, and the woman come out how much time come beg we as platform will have to stop. Beg the people them where it's just supporter or say them a supporter or want to be supporter, and stop going at the people them coming, stop this, stop that, stop. But it not going to stop. Because we as real people who support Blanca, we now go sit down and just lock our ears to certain foolishness we not do. Worse, we have a platform, we come out, come voice, we discuss. Same like how you can have voice and talk about negative things. You understand? Yeah. But because them want the content now, them just come out and them rush off at 99. Them now rush plankers in general, you know. Them are rush 99. When 99 have nothing to do with we are big people, we are adult out here. You understand? She can just talk what she want to say and what she don't want to say. And then the woman come out and say that over and over. But yet still, when somebody come in on a comment, or when the person not right, not stating that them a planker or say nothing where planker is concerned, you know, once a person says something against them have it say the person a planker. And remember now, you know, you have different platforms with different people, where especially a certain special individual go off a day in, day out, them go off a different platform. But as somebody come in at them comment section and say nothing, them say the person a planker. So what happened to the other individuals platform that you go offer? Them not have no supporter to come at you. But guess what? When them say planker, and when them write in a them title and say planker, them know them go and get the plankers them to come over to come hear what is happening about planker. You understand? So them like that. That is something with them enjoy. It give them a sense of, you know, like create some form of content which the content have no substance. You understand? Yeah, man, a certain individual that's how them stay, man. Blame everything upon planker. And remember now, it's not only planker when she come out a chat, she chat about he, she, the old lady, she chat about the puppy, she chat about the cat, she chat about the dog. But it's just one set of people when every time any bad comment or rebuttal go in her comment, she blame for it. Talk to them now, no supporters that can come in her comment where she beat them. Gracie now have nobody can come in her comment where she attack all the while. Lady V now have nobody where can come in her comment. Or again, Maxine now nobody where can come in her comment. All of these people are supporters, you know. But once any rebuttal or any negative thing say in her comment pertaining to she and her platform and what she do, and one somebody she give the blame, plankers. All because she know the powers behind the plankers. When she say planker or she title her video, "Uno come here planker, uno come here 99, you come here this." She know she go and get the attention of most of us. Not all, because some people no care what. Them prefer sit down and wait for me. The man they over there or the woman they over there will carry it before them hear it, before them get the views. You understand? But a lot of us still go and run over there to hear. And that is what she want. You ever hear she come out yet when anything say in her comment or anything and blame any else body feet? She not blame nobody else see it. It's always planker, always have nothing to do with planker. And then now, what she do, as me say, she don't just come out and blame the supporters of planker. She go at 99 herself. Because that is even a bigger views for her when she go at 99 and not just the supporters of the platform. Yeah, man. So, unlike Kaka, you know, where the man going to comment and me is a planker. Clearly, this man is not a planker. Clearly. Because him won't do that. No real planker is going to do that. And common sense can tell you that. Him is just a troublemaker. As me say, either him want Marcia to come out and cuss planker and a whole or cuss 99, or him just want to use that to pull Marcia strings, for Marcia entertain him. Because yes, them do that. It's obvious that a lot of them just go in a Marcia comment, you know, and chigger her off. Just to make she cuss and go on a little way to entertain them, because them find it entertaining, them find fun out of it. You understand? Which not many people do. People, I don't even see say as so far the time I run in this video. And I have another topic I want to touch upon into this video. So it seems like I'm not going to even bother dissect the next part of Marcia video that I have to dissect. But I have a topic, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change location so I get some better lighting, because this Gully Bop saga here, where these people make it seems as if, you know, every blame must show upon one woman at all times. So if a man a pass and him tire punch out a Mountain View right at 99 lane there, so, and him tire fi patch, and him now half $1 fi patch it, 99 is the person who responsible for give him $1 fi patch it. Because if him not get the dollar fi patch it, and him rim the tire and mash up the rim and mash up the tire, and 99 make him car mash up. So I want to stay tuned for this part of the video. Father God, as I raise my hand to you, I ask you please to cover Dana Marie Go 2 more times than how you already cover her, mighty God. Mighty God, you see and you know these people intended and their intention of bringing down this lady for nothing at all, mighty God. Mighty God, you see and you know the good that this lady has been doing, mighty God, to help the less fortunate, mighty God, and the needy and the hungry, mighty God. There's a lot of people without shelter, mighty God, and this lady tried to put a roof over them head, mighty God. There's a lot of people without food, and these people just try to tear down this lady when she tried to put food in them basket, mighty God. Mighty God, this woman is doing so much good, and these people try to tear down this lady for what reason I don't know, mighty God. Mighty God, there is no good this lady can do in the sight of these people for them to recognize it, mighty God. Every good this lady do, them turn it into bad, mighty God. No one is perfect. She's not perfect, mighty God. Because not even you, I think, sometimes is perfect. Because when you create people like these, I try to think that you are not perfect, mighty God. But you see and you know all things. And you are the man of this universe, mighty God. So, mighty God, I'm asking you, please, to cover Donna Marie Go 2 times more than how you already cover her. In Jesus' name, amen. People, I don't know what to say. But these serpents, you know, continue to, you know, just trying to, all them nail, them not realize say, them I use board nail for try bore through iron. How can you use board nail, wire nail for bore through iron? Not even wall nail, you know, like board nail. You understand? For bore through iron. You don't realize say 99 are iron. Me hear one set and say how much, yes, charity start being investigated already in Jamaica and whatsoever and where. Charity are investigated in Jamaica. That not going to do with 99. There wasn't certain laws and stipulation. You understand where charity is concerned, it's just what they know them enforce of certain things. And 99 is not doing charity anymore. And if what you're doing fall under the stipulation of the rules and the law that govern Jamaica where charity is concerned, and she want to continue to do what she's doing, I know she's going to do the right thing. You understand? I know she's going to do the right thing and get what she have to get up to date to know that she is in line with the law. So anything want to sit down and wait for another time, oh, when she hear this now, when all this a woman wants to run one charity come and she talk something and they talk to lie talk like camp, run with it. And yes, Donna, anyway she didn't supposed to herself. Anyway she didn't supposed to shh up herself. I only want to vomit up for herself. Because Donna need to herself. You understand? Because she wasn't doing anything illegal. And the woman must have said, oh, and when you're picking up money and you're sending people to pick it up, it's scamming. One bag of sit, I don't even stay for listen to them people. I don't even stay for listen to them. Because you know anything said where them can use to get at this woman and try to be the woman and tear her down, them are going to run with it. All when them not have the full understanding, all when them do have the full understanding, them are going to twist it for them way. Just like this little dirty, nasty, unscrupulous fake pastor, yeah. We can prophesy over people's life and him can prophesy over female to make it better and him friend and combo them. Him can help people, him can heal sick and him can do all kind of things. But him couldn't heal Gully Bop all the years and weeks and days. Him go around Gully Bop and know Gully Bop. Him couldn't heal Gully Bop. But him have this power where him can do all kind of things, all kind of evilous things. But not the way name good, him can't do it. This is what me can't take with these pastors and people who say them work voodoo and pseudo and all kind of do. Till some of them end up on them all them own doo-doo. You understand? Them work voodoo, you know, but here still, in the long run, them end up take sick with them and them all them own. You understand what I say? But here still you can't help or you can't do so, you can't do that to others. People, condolences to Gully Bop and him family. You understand? Condolences to Gully Bop and him family. You know? Man that rise from the gully and rise to prominence. And after he has rise to prominence, you know, one way or the other, it seems like them have a saying to say never see come see. And majority of us cannot angle success. Sometimes we make success get to our head. We make hype get to our head. And one way or the other, that reach Gully Bop. Not only that, Gully Bop was a kind person, based on what I hear. Because I mean, I forget something from somebody to say them kind. But based on people where me their own, because I live close to a studio and me enough people where associate with the studio sit down and reason sometime and you know and things. So big up Friends Surreal Studio, big up on yourself. If you used to come a Friends Surreal, enough time with him and Shana and thing and stuff. And the feedback when me get, him is a very kind man. Because if him go around there with $1 million, when him a leave, him don't have $1. When him a leave, him don't have $1. And I get to understand, say, he's a man, if him have him last, and a picnic come check him, he might give them it. I mean, hear Shana say one thing from the interview when he come at Dana yard and stuff and things, say, if him have him phone and a child beg him it, he give them it. And it's true, because that is what I hear. So he's a very kind man. But when all I've said and done, yes, me never hear them say, Gully back be carrying out give Auntie Dana to put down. You understand? And if him take sick with sickness, no put down for nobody special. The rich, the poor, the good, the bad, and the ugly. It is there for them. And if him take sick and need some assistance, and him in a field of entertainment, where so much millionaire entertainer and musician is in, and none of them can help him or try to help him or do whatever them expect even Dana to do. Remember, you know, Dana is just one person. Despite you have a platform that cover a wide section of the world, but a whole heap of entertainer have the same thing. And a whole heap of entertainer have strings, and a whole heap of entertainer them have to say, go up on a platform and say, them just can't touch up on them phone, reach out to the producer there, reach out to the entertainer there, him reach out to him, and them pool and put our money together, whether $1 million, $500,000, 100,000, whatsoever I need. Quick. It come quicker than even Dana money. So when this like a fake prophecy where one call himself fake pastor, turn up at the woman yard with Gully Bob, after him know he have been to the woman already for assistant or call upon the woman for assistant already and never get it. And deep down in him have up the woman feet. Him still try again because him see how much free money I give. Because my mind just before that, I think that week there, before that week, I know the same week, the college student they get the big money, you know. So him can see them the money they are give out, so him just feel like say, okay, Gully Bop are the right person to go back to her again now with. So him just figure more or less say him carry Gully Bop come now, you know, the condition where Gully Bop there, him know Dana Art is a soft-hearted person. So him know Dana go flash camera, cause Dana might get the and frighten away. Yes, I Gully Bop, Black guy Gully Bop, yes, how about him now? Freak out phone. Yes, Blanca Nation. Why the great Gully Bop there and him sick? And him a look for money, cause him have him back them on him side and boy Planka now it no look good Planka. Me could see what we can do for him. Me I go put the first $10,000 and Planka what no can do. Me no know. Me not force on but what no can do. That is what you did expect for happen. But true that not happen. You understand? So because that not happen, it's like you leave with an intention to take to your life. You understand? And after you leave, there is so much people who remember you that you were the one who attacked this woman because you never get some tarpaulin that you were requested to build a church or set up a temporary facility for a church. The woman come out long before you, after you, and continue to say she not donate no money for building a church. Something wrong with that? That is her philosophy. You understand? That is her philosophy. And would probably side with her. Because the church is an organization. And the organization of church is a very big thing. But yet still, I don't see no church where me can say get up like on a regular basis and make sure say them fix a roof over the old man, the old woman, the head, or whatsoever. You understand? I don't see no church. The only thing the church will do is probably give you a little food. But we're housing on them things and, you know, like, oh, a little boy that wants some lunch money for go to school or where education is concerned, me not see no church I do that. And them collect offering from them body of people with them out on a daily basic. Plus each church have a head. Church of God have a head. This a prophecy have a head. Catholic have a head. Seventh-day have a head. evangelists have a head where, you know, a body, a group, well organized, structured group. So you want them to say they can't come together as the church will collect so much donation. So all their donation that they collect is to facilitate the church only when it want paint, when it want window, when the musical something them want fix and all them something there. The only thing me see most the church do for people, you know, is when they look at all people, them sick and on a family, them come in and them take them up. And them start this and them start look after them and make sure them have them food and them go doctor when them go doctor and way. And as the people them here goes and lock. Them take ownership of the people them property. I can tell you, majority church in Jamaica own a lot of land. How them get it? Own a lot of houses. Whether it did whole or it new or it medium or it soon build or it just a build or the land. Majority church in Jamaica own a lot of house and land. How them get it? How them accumulate it? How you think them accumulate it? One church member in the church reach a certain age and you don't know after a certain age what going to happen. So them just come in and them take care of the person. When them deceased, them bury them and and them becomes owner of the people, them property because they make them sign over. So I don't really see the church. I do nothing great for society and a whole. We're helping society, the needy. A little boy who want to go to school and lunch money, city that him have lunch money, or somebody who want to go further them education. You understand? So the church have them own money with them gain from them body where them have, can do what them do. So if the woman said to herself she not build no church or contribute certain way to church because she still show her ties to churches. Whether fear her church or one next church or she feel like say boy, she go show her ties. But physically she no feel like in her fear herself to build nothing. You can't fight her upon that. And because of that you have up the woman, so when you care about Gully back now the people them recognize who you was. She never remember. Your face did look familiar to her but you can't remember. But people who remember you reach out and say, are the same pastor man that did come and this and that and then video start flick up back. Yeah man, videos that start flick up back out of the archive. And it proven that you was the same man. So, you know, say from all of that happen now, your number where they give out to the public, where the planka, them and lanka, them and wanka, them and sanka, them are going to reach out to. That can't go on again. All that cut. When I say all that cut. And because of that, and you don't get the money there, and that never work out for you, you take to your platform and you go on the most way. You understand? You go on the most way. No Gully back deceased now. You come now and throw the blame for 99. How Dana cost this man for lose him life? Me hear all a Mary with the same argument. Why she never help him? Eh? Why she never help him? At the first, Dana must have come that close to Gully back. So why you don't want to blame Dana for his demise? Dana didn't know him when he's sick. Dana didn't know him when he gets sick. Dana didn't know him any time before. So oh, Dana is the one to be blamed now. If Dana didn't even go sang up on our platform and our people them reach out and a theme time, or just theme time. How much people go fund me and certain organization take up money for to help them with some form of sickness, and during the whole procedure them still gone. When you carry Gully back to the woman, probably it's probably the last stage in that. So whether she and her platform, the supporters them did reach out or not, if a theme time, I just theme time. What about all of those people where did that benefit from Gully Bop? What about all of those producers that came in a studio and have him tune them where right now no royalty no depend on them cause true him never used know about the music like that? Why some of them couldn't step in? Why some of the other musicians them? You have a few might play a part. You understand? But the few will play a part, yes, grateful for the part of them play. But as me say, pooling is best to help because me probably can't take up $1 million as an entertainer for game. Not say me not have it, but me take it up that I push me way around so So if you can take 100,000 out of that million and you call even 5, 6, 8, 10 more man, we're probably there into him or not and reason them as your friend. And I said, boy, boss, trust me. I know you and him not take tea, you know. I know you and him are a friend, you know, but guess what happened now? You see, this could have happened to anyone of it. And anyone of it happened to would have liked the same thing like when me I come to you with now. Just bygones be bygones with him, or despite you and him and a friend, what happened? The way you can do. Because you give me a 50 or 100,000 towards this. Nah, jerk you. So you don't have to really into him. You don't have to be him friend. You and him catch up through music already, but put that aside, man. Give me a thing. You know, and with your friendship, that man give it. Not because of him, you know, but because of your friendship you have with that man, and you organize the whole thing. That man respect you that much and give you. So him could have get help from the entertainment fraternity. It's a big fraternity, you know. We are make millions and billions of dollars, the entertainment fraternity, you know. And now this man come and the woman decide not to take up any money for him. You understand? And she still, from she draw for her phone and put him out there. Because whether she decide to take up money for him or not, you know, if the people them now feel him, you know, or feel you look a criminal pastor, you know, no money not gonna come, you know. No money not going to come. So whether she did either say, boy, alright, she will collect up money, never must come neither. But the thing is, one of the biggest things we should do is put you on our platform and send you to the world. You understand? You know what people that God for just get that. If Tana even say she not pick up no money for you, you know, say, 1,000 and hundreds of people out there that just like the phone they put on them, just like how it put on you and Gully. They say, boy, them are reach out for little help. Because no matter what, you might not get the flack so, but you will get something because you go out there to the world on a platform that is well known. And there must be 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 somebody out there is soft-hearted who are going to reach out. Majority might not feel your pain. Majority might not see, say, boy, okay, yes, that person I need me assistance. Majority people might not feel you because I want to get the plank of them, you know. Them look for certain little things, you know, to take on to you, you know. Yes, man. Them look for certain little things to take on to you. And if them not see that, dog, name your supper. And if you don't mind chat, the dog, name all your dinner too. Not just your supper. And when you wake up morning, name all your breakfast. Them your plank, you look for some, and them not for not the big, you know. Just some simple little things inside of you, within you, the plank of them look for. For turn out and help you. Some simple little things. And you see that simple little thing there, you would have not gonna know so that simple little things there, the people them want to help you or look out for. So you see, if you're not genuine, that simple little thing there you can't come put it on, you know, because you not look for it. You go bypass it. When you go come with this spoucious thing and you're way, them not look for that. Them a look for the simple thing where you now believe say that them a look for. So you see when you come with that simple thing there and them see it in you, them know say you're genuine. But now come put on plank of them easy, them very sensitive, them very observative. Them sit down and them observe every little thing. You understand? So when you come out now, the whole on you little pastor boy. We are going to prove yourself as a false prophet because you give people days and weeks. And when it not work, you come back and you say, alright, the month now pass. And when the month pass, you come back and you say, the year now pass. You're a damn false prophet, man. And all of them talk about in the Bible. You understand? You come like some people out there where them some little picnic in the rain. And I go on them way and them say, them picnic there. Wait, man, there's a lot of kids down there going to catch cold and flu. And you just wait. Because them pass the picnic them in the rain. And when the picnic them catch a cold, I did tell you that there's a lot of people going to catch cold and flu. Especially some kids. Yes, man, I did tell because what? You know, say from picnic in the rain and certain way and they eat and certain things, them liable to catch cold or flu. So you come out and go like you're a prophet. So you see that now, you prophesy upon it. And then it happen now, you want to take responsibility. I've said, see there, yes, I'm a prophet. I did tell you. I did tell you. Come on. If me see that tree limb there, I broke off, and breeze a shake, me can't come talk about the tree limb soon drop off. Because everybody obviously said soon broke off. So when it broke off, now I can say yes, my prophesy upon the tree limb said it broke off. Tell me say the trunk of the tree I go root out tomorrow morning. See the strongest part of the tree there? Tell me say it go root out tomorrow morning. Now when me come, me no see no earthquake and it root out. Then me say you're a prophet. Because looking at the root, the tree root, not do it chang tree root. And no earthquake no come. And it no root out. But you did prophesy, say it go root out X day. And when me come, it root out. I don't know why did it get out. And no earthquake. Then me say you're a prophet. So only people out the way, depend on the woman name. But like the woman could have saved Gully Bapar, like the woman of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Or with the help of she giving him what she give him. Or only know how much money him did I get if she didn't even collect money from him. Because as I tell you, Dana is just old off the platform. Where there's a lot of people support her. But at the end of the day, the buck stop with the people them who are donate them money. And as I say, if them now feel you. And if them not see a genuine within them eyesight, then I could have begged from now till the morning. You understand? It's just few people when she come out and she said, nah, the donation now coming like that, she will come out and she said, boy, do. Mrs. says I couldn't not take her onto that one here, but me I beg you no man. See what you can do. If you know even can buy the mattress, buy one piece of sponge, one cover sponge and key, make him lie down. Me know, my sister don't not feel him, because I want to when I come out and I talk. And I ask you for help. You always show up for me. And when I see you not show up, I know that one here, you not feel that one here. But we all give them the benefit of the doubt. And two little people might go so boom, bang, 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 bang and send something where you can buy the piece of sponge. So the buck still not stop with Dana. The buck stop with the donors. So if Dana didn't even come out and say, alright Planka, we're going to see if we can help Gully back. You know? We're going to see if we can raise even $1 million fee. And the people them plan to send them money because of one or two reasons. Gully back will reach there and have it. Gully back now no manners. Gully back this. Gully back disrespectful. And the people them in the music fraternity should have help him. Whatever reason why them don't want to help him. Then I can't do nothing. And if it's a case, suppose she raise 140,000 with fear 10, 50 and give him, and him still deceased. I don't know, you that blame same way? So she should have raised 50 million? Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching Panalica Reasoning here, you know. Big up on yourself. Happy Friday. Nice. Whoa, what a nice breeze. Woo! This could should have blow right through the night. I'll through my room and I have to turn on a fan, make her sleep comfortable later. I don't know what to do. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Last night, boy, I don't know how I make mistake and do the live Panda channel here. I got to switch over the phone because through the phone I normally do the live pan. And at that phone I do the video in pan. So, you know, I forgot to switch over the phone and then through the whole airport saga, I forgot to check my brethren and I never sure me they go do live. I never remember nothing to switch the phone. And people, them all restrict the live. I don't know what I'm saying in my live, them restrict it. You know? And my video when I post today, not today, yesterday. Today, this morning video, yes, that the pan restriction too. But that video, they didn't know it got the pan restriction. As I tell you, no, I never mind, I just come out to talk my mind. Sometimes it's not all about making $1. Sometimes it's about, you know, getting things off your chest. Who like it, not like it, who like it, who want eat it, who want bite it, just bite it. You understand? Remember the young entrepreneur college student, our link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Continue to give her the support. It is coming, but it's a bit slow. I mean, I beg enough for us gear, make sure she can reach 1,000 subscribers so she can put in some more work and show us some more videos. You know, where she can get the watch hours also. Because the watch hours is also just important as the subscription. Because, see there, you know, let me get my 1,000 on my backup channel till me go 1,400, I go 1,500. I mean, I get the watch hours yet. Me check it this morning. I need like what? Why they want 640 to the comment. I think I want about just under just over 400 now. I think I need about 475 watch hour time now. It comes down to 470. And that's why I miss out the live now do over there, so. You know, but I get the watch hour time there. Because the watch hour time, it will not have nothing to do with the video if it's even restriction, because the restriction is just that no add suitability on the video, me not get that. So the watch hours is what I really mind, you know, that mind me right now. The watch hours I will me mind upon. So mistake me can do over here, so but that's how it go. So let's continue to like, share and subscribe, and be good. If you can be good, be careful. And remember me always telling you, be careful on the surrounding. Be vigilant. You go in your yard and you have a tree in your yard. When you reach a gate, the first thing you do, you look on your two sides of your column or your wall, and then you look up on your tree. Because remember, you know, when these guys come in, them try to think ahead. And when you come in through your yard, you're looking at, you look behind wall and you know, look up in your tree. When you up in your tree, they watch you. I see every move where you make, see everything where you do. If it's not the same day, and next day I'm going to come back and them know exactly what you do, where you move, where you do first, where you do second. As you come in your yard, and you see them just spring out on you like a cat. So, just be vigilant. Alright? Not trust no shadow after dark. Not even your own shadow. Sometimes you lock all your gate and slam it on your shadow and see if it get up and run. Because you want to know if I your shadow, you want to make sure I your shadow. Big up on yourself. I'm out.